In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix pending transaction on Trust Wallet. So for Bitcoin transactions, they can get stuck due to low transaction fees or network congestion. Miners prioritize transactions with higher fees. So let's say you made a very small transaction and you notice that it is still pending, even though it's been a while since you completed the transaction. That is most likely why, because the higher the transaction fee, the more priority you have. So if you have a low transaction fee and it's like a low transaction, then that's not really something of high priority for Bitcoin miners. So that could definitely play a factor. So if you run into a situation like this, your best bet is to honestly just wait. Bitcoin transfers cannot be canceled or sped up directly in Trust Wallet. You must wait for the transaction to be confirmed or dropped by the network. And you always want to go ahead and consistently check the status as well. So you could use like a blockchain explorer like blockchair.com/Bitcoin in order to monitor the transaction. Now let's go ahead and talk about Ethereum transactions over here. So if it's pending, that could be that low gas fees often cause delays as miners prioritize higher fee transactions. So what to do? You want to go ahead and open up Trust Wallet and then locate the pending transaction on the transaction history. So once you guys are here in the history, go ahead and locate the transaction that is pending and see if you get the option that says speed up or cancel. So if those options are available, you want to go ahead and select on speed up. So speed up increases the gas fee to prioritize the transaction. If you cancel the transaction, then that is going to send a 0 Ethereum transaction to your own wallet address with the same nonce as the pending transaction and a higher gas fee. Also, issues may stem from network-specific problems, app glitches, or non-native wallet support. So you always want to go ahead and check the blockchain. Use a blockchain explorer again, like Solscan.io for Solana, to verify the transaction exists in the blockchain. If it doesn't, it may be a Trust Wallet display issue. So again, honestly, what I recommend that you guys do is actually contact the Trust Wallet support team. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up any web browser, then go ahead and look up Trust Wallet support, then go to the official support.trustwallet.com website right over here. And then from here, you guys are actually able to talk to your representative and you want to explain to them your situation and explain to them that you're trying to actually fix your pending transaction. But if you guys have any other ideas, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below to help out other people. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.